Hey, what up YouTube? It's your boy Jay Wash. Welcome back to Jay Wash TV. We got another unboxing right here. Are y'all ready? Is this worth the hype? Let's find out.
Oh, I'm ballin' like baby. These bitches, they wanna have my baby.
Alright, so this is my second tape. I already unboxed it. I didn't like how it turned out, so I had to I'm going to redo this, y'all. But anyways, I did open it from Nike, and I totally didn't like how that video turned out. So we're gonna run this again. Anyways, here we go, guys. Here is the Jordan 1 Tokyos right here in a 9.5, and it comes in that gray silver box with that metallic Nike at the top with the metallic check mark. So this is how your box will come. That is the label right there, if you can see it, and that's how it should come if you order this on StockX or GOAT. So here we go. Open the K, you know what I'm saying? Boom, there you got it. And here you go, guys. This is the Jordan 1 Tokyos. Now, right off the rip, I can see women wearing this shoe. This looks, I mean, I wouldn't wear it personally, even if it did come in extended sizes. I'm not hating on this shoe. This is a cool shoe. To me, I would not cop this shoe for personal. This will probably just be a resale shoe for me right off the rip, just looking at it. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below if you cop this shoe, if you copped it for your personal, or are you reselling it. But before all this video starts, I want to let you guys know that if you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that'll be the little bell in the corner somewhere or underneath my videos. Make sure you like the video and leave comments. I need you guys to start more liking these videos. Our like goals has been getting reached each time, but every video is 50 likes. 50 plus, I will love it more, but 50 likes is the goal. So let's get right back into it. So off the back, like I said, women's shoe, right off the back. Right off the back. It doesn't give you that off-white vibe. Even if it wasn't an off-white vibe from the 4s, you can tell it was like a neutral color. This kind of looks like a woman's shoe to me. Now, will I rock it? No. Would I keep it? No. I would have sold that shit quick. But I'm different. So, right off the back, man, that shit pops. I'm pretty sure in the sunlight it'll probably pop too. But you have your that's new butt going around the toe box all the way to the side panel where you get to your metallic check swoosh that you guys would call it, all the way back to the back in that metallic, just I think that's just basic leather. Now what's different about this shoe, I'm seeing that it has a bubble on the logo of Air Jordans. It's like a bubble. It's not stitched in. That is a straight bubble. Like, I've not seen that on a Jordan 1 or even on the Jordan 1s that I have in my collection. I don't know what that means, but it's kind of unique. It's something different, and I just noticed it when I opened it up, when I did the review the first time. But it has a bubble. It's like an air bubble in there. But that's kind of dope. And then you have that going down, and it's all in metallic too. So this is only 2 colors. It looks like a silver and metallic. So I mean, it's the same damn near. It's just you got that metallic going around the shoe. And then you have your Nike Air stitched on the tongue, and then you have, it seems like, very tumble leather going down the tongue. The whole tongue is tumbled, like super tumbled. It's really soft too. Like, if you got a pair of these, feel your tongue, man. That feels super soft. On the back side of the tongue, you do have your Jordan logo with 2001 to 2020. So I'm pretty sure this shoe was made first in 2020. 2001, and it was just redropped 2020. Inside the shoe, you have your shoe tree. Oh wait, it says something there. Inside the shoe, you have the Jordan logo with co.jp, and then the shoe size inside. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope how they put that in there. And I think that's about it. Not too much. It's basic on the Jordan 1. Like I said, I wouldn't have copped for my personal pair, but I'm different. You know what I'm saying? I like what I like, and you like what you like. But this tumble tongue is dope. That is like a super dope add-on to that right there. The metallic just gives me that woman vibe. So that is exactly why I wouldn't cop. But let's go ahead and get the second pair. So here you guys have it. This is the Jordan 1 Tokyos. I see some flaws on this one right here. If you can see closely, let me try to get there. There's dirty marks right here. A dirty mark right there. And another one right here. Now, this is from Nike. This is straight from Nike. Just now opened it. I just redid it, another video, because I didn't like how that first one turned out. But as everybody knows, Nike's pushing out about 1 million pairs of shoes. They obviously gonna mess up. You know what I'm saying? But these are going straight to StockX. But I'm going to give somebody the opportunity to buy these right now. You have 24 hours to hit me up on IG. I will post that link in the description. This is a 9.5 straight from Nike. And it's DS. DS. Never been worn. Never been worn. So I'm going to give you guys, the subscribers, the first chance to go ahead and buy these off me before they drop, before I throw them on StockX. But like I said, women, you can hit me up too. Like, anybody can hit me up for this shoe. You know what I'm saying? So it's dope, man. That metallic tongue. These are not dope for me to keep, but they're dope for somebody who likes them. You know what I mean? That metallic tongue. It's just a metallic pop. It's not for me. You know what I'm saying? If you want this pair, you can probably get on StockX too, for like $260, $280. Now that Tokyo pair is a different story. You're paying like $800 for that suitcase. I'm not paying $800 for a suitcase. If I did like this shoe, if I wanted the limited pair, I would not be paying $800 more for that. I would not pay $1,000 for a shoe. Now, that's just me. I know you guys out there are balling, so y'all can go ahead and spend y'all $1,000 on the shoe. But me, I'm not doing it yet. You know what I'm saying? The most I will spend on StockX is maybe $250. That's tops, you know what I'm saying? So there you guys have it right there, of the Air Jordan 1 Tokyos. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if y'all cop this, if y'all like it, if you're not feeling it. But I need everybody that's new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, leave a like, and let me know in the comment section below that you are rocking with Jay Wash now and you are a new subscriber. So we're gonna get you a little B-roll. I can't do it on feet on these right here because this is not my size. Shout out to Cody for not getting my size, and I'm the one who told him to download this app like 30 minutes before this shoe dropped, and he still did not put my size in. Thank you, Cody. But we're gonna give y'all a up close look at these with some B-roll, and then I am out. But I kind of want to talk to y'all real quick. My merch is about to get announced to drop maybe tomorrow. So all y'all supporters out there that's been supporting Jay Wash TV, and if you're new and you kind of want to support me too, or this channel, I will be dropping merch, and I will be doing pre-orders. I'm doing pre-orders just because I don't want to order 100 shirts and I only sell 50. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be sitting on the shirt. So I'm going to take pre-orders. Everybody is welcome to support me. You know what I'm saying? So y'all going to have to hit me up on IG and the YouTube community, because that's the two posts that I'm going to be posting on, is IG and the community. And if you have me on the Facebook, then obviously you know what's up. But my merch is coming. It is done. I will be having something sent to me in the mail real soon, but I'm going to drop the pictures right there so you guys can pre-order this shirt. Appreciate all the guys and girls who's been supporting me, man. Y'all are the ones who making me keep dropping these videos, and I came to a point where I was like, you know what, it's time to make some merch. And I've been grinding, trying to get the right thing out for you guys, man. I've started over about 20 times, and I think this is right. I think I'm gonna drop merch in the wintertime too, hoodies and maybe long sleeve shirts. Y'all stay tuned for that. But right now we're focused on this shirt right here, this merch I got coming for you guys. So thank you for all the love and support you guys been showing me. We on the road to 3K. We're less than think like 140 subs away or something like that. So we are always there, almost there. And if you're new, make sure you go check out my StockX or GOAT video. It will close when I hit 3K, so you still got enough time to go enter that giveaway. $400 to StockX or GOAT, up to you. Up to 400, we'll pay the fees and stuff like that. So thank you, man. Thank you. Merch is coming. Man. I'm gonna catch y'all guys on the next video. Y'all stay up, man. Peace.